So today we're going to be doing a rainbow flower sort of look. I usually start by putting a little concealer on my lids and we'll blend that out. Then we're going to go right ahead and use any transition sort of palette you have. This one is by Zoeva. It's kind of old. It's the Caramel Melange, and I'm going to go into wax paper and I'm just going to set my brow. Same palette, different brush. This fluffy brush, we're going to go into the shade Universal Delight, which is this light brown. And you're just going to take and you're going to fill in your crease with that, just to create a little depth. You can tap it or you can do windshield wiper motions. We just want a little depth in there. Shade Finish. Sensational. And you're just going to put it in the same spots, just deepening it up a little bit. Once you're done with that, you're going to pick up that wax paper again and just blend out the edges. Alright, so this next part is going to seem hard. You're just going to take a little bit of liner on a brush and you're just going to use like a cut crease sort of motion. You can use water to clean it up because I'm using water activated liners from Amazon. $10. This step is optional. I just take a concealer and I go in and go underneath. Kind of makes the base sticky for what we're getting ready to do. Then you're going to take a light yellow and just apply it here in the inner corner. We're going to be doing a rainbow here, okay? Alright, so now what you're going to do is take an orange color and put it next to it, and you're going to just ever so lightly tap it into that yellow so you get a nice gradient. And you're just going to keep doing this with every color. So I'm going to do pink and then purple and blue, and then if I have enough room, green. So I ran out of room for the green on the end. So we're going to just come in here into this little inner corner section and just pack it there. Alright, so from here, we're going to add a bunch of tiny rhinestones, and I'm not going to video this. If you have questions on how to do it, I bought these from Amazon. Lash glue, dotting tool. I usually just put a little dot on the back and then just place the gems where you want. Alright, I'm back. I put all these jewels on. It took forever, but I think it looks pretty cool. Next, we're just going to put some little flowers above it. Cheap trick: if you do not have a dotting tool, you can use a bobby pin and pry it apart. What we're going to do for the flowers is we're going to use this little rainbow palette. It's not exactly the same colors. We're going to make it work. We're going to do a flower here, one there, and one here. And they're going to be mainly pink, purple. We'll probably do a blue one and maybe a yellow one. Maybe an orange one. We'll see. So we just did the purple, now I'm going to do the blue, and then maybe a green one and a yellow one. And then I will come, maybe not, a green and an orange one, a blue, green, and orange. Because we're going to use yellow to do the little center here in a second. And I'll come back and show you how to do that. Then you're just going to take your little yellow dotter tool and put it in the center. And that's it. You've got flowers. Then you're going to add a black wing liner. If you want a tutorial on that, mention in the comments and I'll show you how to do my liner. Alright, I'm back. I've got my full face on. The next thing we're going to do is just continue the sequence. So we had green in the inner corner. So we're going to put green right in there. Okay. And we really want you to be able to see that that's green. Then we're going to pop into that yellow and just kind of drag it over. And then we're just going to keep doing all those colors, okay? Alright guys, this is the finished look. Tune in for our next one.